Today we're going to bring a Seauto. This is a Seauto SAT20. It's a pool robot for your pool. It comes with an actual charging station, a hook to grab the actual module once it's done, and I'm going to show you a couple of features on it. So right now, if you guys can see, I do have a large pool here that we have a rock formation that we always need to clean underneath of it. We want to see how well this thing works, and I'm going to show you a little bit more details on it. Underneath of it, you got the bristles underneath, and then you have the vacuum, the suction area, but you also have side bristles here. So everything's going to be funneled into the center. Everything's going to the center, so just be aware that everything's going to be pushing there. Now, the tires are rubber end, so is this. So we're going to go ahead and show you some of the features. So you got three features. You got your wall only, floor, and wall and floor, power button, and then this is how you change the features in here too. All right, so we're going to go ahead and throw it into water, and if you guys can notice, this is the actual jets to help it propel it through the water, right? So it's going to help it to stick to the walls too. So I'm going to show you how to actually pull the garbage place and show you guys a little bit more features about it. Now in front of it, you got the opening area. It's covered, well protected in here. You got this little tray here, if you guys can see that. The tray itself has a button in the side here that you push here. You got to drop in the basket, but make sure it's locked in place. It's well secure in here. You guys can see that, and then you're able to close the actual system. Now let's put this to a test and see how well it works. All right, let's go ahead and turn it on. We charged it already, and I'm going to show you a couple of the things that you need to be aware. So we're going to turn on the button, hold it down, 1, 2, 3, and we're going to choose what do we want. We want to go to not wall only, we want to go walls and floor. So you just let the button, you choose the button with this, let it go. Once it starts blinking, you can release it. If you guys can see, I have a step there. Look at this thing, is working really well. Scrubbing. I want to see if I can take the step. Show you guys, I have my camera on it so you guys can see a little bit better perspective, but this thing climbs really well in here. All right, and this is a hard place to scrub down on these corners of the actual pool. All right, so if you're looking for a cleaning machine for your pool, this is a perfect device here. It actually did really good. I was able to see it climb some areas that are very difficult that other machines can't do, but this actually can do it. So it was very simple to charge. It lasts me about an hour and 30 minutes before I needed the next charge, but it wasn't fully charged. So I'm very impressed with it too. Wheels, you know, they have some traction, but they would need a little bit more traction to get out some of the areas, but it was climbing walls with the actual jet propeller in the back. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy this video.